Hello everyone, I'll show you how to model this cabinet in 3D Max. First, I will draw a box, and this box is 230 by 140 by 60. Now I need to make here some segments for this door panel. I will make the width segments to be 3 and the length segments is 2, which is the middle line over here. Now I will add edit poly and I will select the edges that I don't need it. I need to make this one full panel, so I will click Control and remove. Now I will select this edge, Control and remove. Now I will make some more segments over here. I will press now connect, and I will make connect with 4 segments like this. Now I need to make groove between these panels. Like you see here in the picture, I have some groove. So I will select these polygons over here. Now I will insert 0.15 by polygon. Now you can see that I have a gap between the panels. Now I will need to extrude these faces. But first, I will select this particular polygon and I will make the material ID is 2 because it is different than the rest. And then I will press Control I and I will make sure that all of them are number 1. Now I will just add one material. Now I will add UVW map, choose box, real world, and then I will make this texture is going vertically. I need it to be running horizontally, so I will use the x-axis. Now I need to go back to edit poly and I will select these front panels and I will extrude to something. Okay. You can see now how it is all extruded. Now I need to select this particular polygon over here and I will also extrude 2 cm to level it up, and then I will insert 2 cm and extrude in -58 like this. Now I need to start with this base. This base I will just select this polygon over here. Okay, only the back polygons. I will not use this door panel polygons, only the back ones. And then I will extrude them 6 cm. Now I am done with this one. I'll go to the front view. Now I need to do the door knob. The door knob, it will be a cylinder, and this cylinder radius 1.5, the height 0.5, and now I will just keep it 2 segments. I will add here edit poly and I will select by angle all this front polygons. I will select these polygons over here, use a shrink, and then extrude. I will make the extrude 2.5 like this. Now I will go to the top view. I will rotate. Now I will place it over here. Go to the front view. I will move it in the y-axis to the middle of this opening, and now I will have more copies here and also here, and then you move as well one copy in the y-axis using shift, okay, and make it also to the center of the drawer. Okay. Now I will make more copies downward to the center of the drawer. Now I will select all these handles and I will make another copy on this side. So now this cabinet is ready, and that is the final result.